Hello guys, how are you? If I take a video for you, then subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, then let's start. So, question is, what are barriers and strategies? Okay, so answer: barriers and strategies. Some basic skills can help you to be a more effective communicator in the classroom. Okay, these teaching tips explore. फर्स्ट है फर्स्ट पॉइंट, बैरियर्स टू लिसनिंग एंड स्ट्रेटजीज फॉर इफेक्टिव लिसनिंग. ओके. सेकंड, बैरियर्स टू एक्यूरेट perception and strategies for accurate perception. And third point, barriers to effective verbal communication and strategies for effective verbal communication. ओके. तो इसमें अपना है, सबसे पहले क्या देखना था, बैरियर्स. तो बैरियर्स टू इसमें हमको देखना था बैरियर्स. तो इसमें पहला पॉइंट है बैरियर्स टू लिसनिंग. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, फोकसिंग ऑन अ पर्सनल एजेंडा. ठीक है. तो इसके अंदर है पॉइंट, when we spend our listening time formulating our next response, we cannot be fully attentive to what the speaker is saying. And second point, experiencing of information overload. Too much stimulation or information can make it very difficult to listen with full attention. Criticizing the speaker. Do not be distracted by critical evaluations of the speaker. Okay. Next है getting distracted by emotional noise. We react emotionally to certain words, concept and ideas, and to a myriad of other cues from speakers. Next, getting distracted by external noise. Audible noise may be extremely distracting. Something can be minimized. Example है, turn down the ringer on your phone and notification and on your phone or computer while meeting with someone. And last है experiencing physical difficulty. Okay, feeling physically unwell or experiencing pain can make it very difficult to listen effectively. आगे है हमारा दूसरा टॉपिक था स्ट्रेटजीज. ओके. तो स्ट्रेटजीज फॉर एक्टिव लिसनिंग. द फॉलोइंग स्ट्रेटजीज आर इंटेंडेड to promote active listening or a type of listening with the goal to develop a clear understanding for the speaker concerned and also to clearly communicate. Okay, communicate the listener's interest in the speaker message. Okay, first point है stop. Focus on the other person, their thought and feeling. Their thought and feeling. Consciously focus on curating your own internal commentary and step away from your own concern to think about those of the speaker. ठीक है. सेकंड पॉइंट है look. Pay attention to non-verbal message without letting yourself be distracted. Notice body language and non-verbal cues to allow for a richer understanding of the speaker's point. Next, listen for the essence of the speaker thought, detail, major ideas and their meaning ओके, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। नेक्स्ट है बी empathetic. Imagine how you would feel in their circumstances. Be empathetic to the feeling of the speaker while maintaining a calm center within yourself. Okay. Next, ask question. We question to clarity your understanding as well as to demonstrate interest in what is being said. Okay. Next है paraphrase. If you don't have any specific question to ask, you may choose to repeat back to the speaker in your own words. Okay, so ये भी कंप्लीट हुआ। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।